I would be willing to bet 98% of you all got an EIN number. And you don't even qualify to have one. Let me prove it to you. That way we can kind of be right here. Watch this. Whenever you got your business, you ain't get an EIN number. But I would almost be willing to bet you never went ask the IRS, do you need an EIN number? The IRS will say this: you will need an EIN if you answer yes to any of the following questions. Stop. The IRS is going to ask you a series of questions. As long as you can answer yes to just one of them, it don't matter which one you answer yes to. As long as you answer yes to at least one, you qualify to have an EIN. If you cannot answer yes to any of them, you don't even qualify to have an EIN. You ready? Let's go. I'm going to first start this conversation off with giving you the definitions of words, because you need to understand what words mean. Once you understand the definition of a word, then it'll help you process what I'm about to say. Watch this. First of all, what does EIN stand for? The EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. What's an employer? What is the definition of an employer? Well, let's go see. An employer is a person or organization that employs people. What does it mean to employ people? To give them work and pay them for it. If you're not paying nobody to do a job, how can you be identified as an employer? The things that make you go, Good morning. I'm going to say it again. If you're not paying nobody to do a job, how can you be identified as an employer? Second, if you are paying somebody, employers pay employees. Employees are people that every time that they receive a paycheck from the company, they have federal, Social Security, and Medicare taxes automatically taken out of their checks. If you are paying somebody to do a job, but they don't have taxes taken out of their checks, those are not called employees. Those are called contractors. The first question that the IRS asks is, do you have employees? 98% of people who have a business and they own it by themselves cannot answer yes to this question. Second question, do you operate your business as a corporation or a partnership? Do you operate your business as a corporation or a partnership? That never said, do you operate your business as an LLC? Hold, please. Do you file any of these tax returns? Employment, excise or alcohol, tobacco and firearms? Do you withhold taxes on income other than wages paid to a non-resident alien? Does your company offer a KEO plan? That's a retirement plan. And is your company involved in a trust, estate, real estate, mortgage, investment conduit, a nonprofit, farmers co-op, or a plan administrator? So now, you ain't get an EIN, and you don't even, some people don't even qualify to have one. And when you don't qualify to have an EIN, you should be using your Social Security number for everything that you're doing. But you don't want to use your Social Security number for whatever reason. But just because you don't want to use your Social Security number, that doesn't mean that you qualify to use a number that you can't even use. So now you got a number that you don't qualify for, but somehow you want to reap the benefits of the people who do qualify to have that number. It don't work like that.